bicycle dice 35 with ace 4-5 and 35 with 5 on A. So you have ace 4-5 with 5 and 6-3-2 with 2 on B, 35 sets. Okay, so look how it's balancing this bag with 35 pieces. In this case we have 6-3-2, and when we put the second dice from this bag with fixed point, but look how beautiful it's balanced, you see? Let me rotate. Oh, it's going out. Look. You'll never see this kind of things in Oscar dice, look. Okay, and the other dice is coming at 2. So take the magnet, put on top of the dice. Okay, and this, come closer. Let me rotate. More higher. Rotate the, okay, rotate the magnet. Okay, like this. Look. 1, wait a moment, keep it like that. 1-4-5. 1-4-5, and this dice, of course, is coming. It's a 5. You see how it's picking up, how it's rising. Look. Put 1-4-5. 1-4-5, and now 5 directly jumps. So it's perfect balance. Okay, you can take it out.